Here are the top 6 reasons why I love emergency medicine. 1. It's never boring. You get to see and treat all kinds of patients with different medical conditions, from life-threatening emergencies to minor injuries. This makes every day unpredictable and exciting. 2. You get to do a lot of hands-on work. You'll be doing procedures like ultrasound-guided interventions, central line placements, suturing, and chest tube insertions, which means you'll be getting a lot of practical experience. 3. You can make quick decisions about what to do with your patients. Whether they need to be admitted, discharged, or transferred to another facility, you can decide and act fast, which helps your patients get the care they need as soon as possible. 4. You can have a flexible schedule. You work in shifts, which means you can clock in and out without having to take work home with you. While you might have to work nights and holidays, you can still create a work schedule that suits your lifestyle. 5. The people you work with are awesome. Emergency medicine has a friendly and supportive culture where everyone works together as a team to take care of patients. 6. You get to test your medical skills in real time. You'll be treating patients who come in with all kinds of symptoms, and you'll have to figure out what's wrong and how to treat them with limited information. This helps you become a better doctor and think on your feet. In summary, emergency medicine is a fast-paced and exciting field that offers plenty of challenges, opportunities to learn and grow, and a chance to make a real difference in people's lives.